Hello, I'm Mr. J. You can call me Ray. I'm down here off Bullens Lane. See anything? I wonder. I don't see a whole lot. Well, I guess it's worth the shot. Let's go see. There's a cool little dam on this side. I mean, there always is, but it's really, it's got the water backed up right now. That's good. Let's try to head down that way. Oh, here we go. Right off the bat, baby. Okay. What is he? All right, look at this guy. It is a trout. Yes. Oh, no, wait. It's not a trout. It's just a creek chub. Dear Lord, I thought this was a trout. Dang, man. Big chub. Hi, buddy. Should get the hook out. Trying to get the hook out of him. There we go. Let me see you. He's got some horny head to him. I'm starting to notice that now. He's cool looking. Really big chub. I'm not going to go nuts every time I see these big chubs now because I know that we catch them down here. So, thanks, pal. All right. All right, well, that was an interesting catch. Nice fight, too. There we go. Hanging out around that piece of wood there. Bluegill this time. Species numero 2. Wonder if there's any other little guys hanging out there like bass or trout. So they're just chilling near that little opening there. Thanks, dude. That's cool. I guess that makes sense. They don't want to be in the current, so let's try to get it close to that wood again without going into it. Is this messy access here? Oh boy. Let's see. Let's try to get something in there without disturbing it. Oh, got me a stick. Got that stick. Oh shit. Damn, this is like quicksand here. Somebody's got it. There you go. That was quite a remarkable hook set for a... I knew somebody had it. Sorry, dude. You're not getting my fish. Looks exactly the same as the other one down there. Can I say hi? Okay. I don't know what his thing was. Must have just woke up. I'm gonna try to go on the other side of that dam for sure. Try to go down below that dam real quick, and then maybe we'll head down to, there we go. There we go. All right. What are you? Redbreast. A long ear. Hi, pal. That might be our third species, I think. But I want to go down below that dam down there, because there's usually bass hiding at the bottom. Hi, friend. They're very plain here. Say hi. No, thank you kindly. Okay, bye. Long gear. Let's try one more time. There you go. First cast. All right, so they're definitely sitting here waiting. Oh, it's another chub. So this might be a spot where we get a few. Well, he was barely hanging on there. Say hi. Sorry. All right, bye. There we go. Well, they're really going after it when they want to. Just wonder if the quantity of fish is not so high right now, but oh boy. Can I have it? You're a jerk. Bye. Okay. But it was traveling with it. There we go. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose them all now. Ooh, what happened to you, Johnny? Sorry. Oh, wow, he's cool. All right, let me help you. Let me help you. He's like, yeah, right, dude. Why would I trust you with that? Okay, he's cool. See if I can get a look at this guy. So, he's got the orange tips as well as the red breast. Very cool. Thanks, guy. You look shocked and appalled. All right. Oh, silly guys. Up your nose with a rubber hose. There we go. Is this a bass? Yay, a bass! Okay. New species. New species. Smallmouth. I think that's our first smallie of the year. Cool. Want to say hi? Wow, look at that big mouth. Look at them teeth. Okay. Later, Pally. Go get big. All right, so that's chub, smallmouth. There we go. Okay. Look at you. Another really pretty red one. Okay. Thanks, guy. Here he goes. There we go. All right. What is this? Oh, is this another species? You tell me. He's got the up and down stripes. This might be the straight bluegill. Or in this case, purple. He's cool. He's got purple inside, purple eyes. What's up, bro? Yeah. Thanks, man. Perfect dive. Trying to get a little closer down there. There we go. There you go. It's a red breast this time. Nice one, though. Okay. Where's your Bessie friends? Okay. How you doing, guy? Thanks, pal. See you later. Yeah. Okay. Whee! Say hi, guy. Pretty. See ya. Well, we're definitely catching some fish. I mean, not to fish, you know. Maybe we'll get a bass here, though. Let's just hang around for a second, because this is kind of dinner time now. Sun's going down. Maybe we'll get lucky here. Oh, I pulled it right out of his mouth. There's definitely a ton of fish over there. There you go. It's a regular bluegill this time. I don't know where he came from. Bye. To be a fish. I wonder what it's like to be a fish. Ah. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. Okay, Chubbo again. All right, now we're getting, this must be dinner time. We're getting hammered now. So let's just hang around for a little bit and see. Oh my God. You hear him squishy sounds? Squishy. Make a squishy sound. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Bye. That's like 4 or 5 casts in a row right now, so let's just keep at it for a sec here and we'll get lucky. Maybe we get lucky. Oh. These are probably really attractive to the chubs because they look like little shiners, you know. It's probably like, and there's a ton of smelt. Like if you go out to John Hines around this time of day, you'll see smelt jumping out of the water. So this is probably the perfect bait for this area. Oh. What was that? Okay. Let's try over here. That's a good cast. Yeah. Somebody on there, I think. Yeah, there is. He was coming towards me and then... Okay. You tricky. You tricker. Bye. Thanks for coming out with me, guys. This is fun. Can't wait till it heats up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, they're coming out to eat now. So let's just keep throwing them in and see how long we can go for here. Thanks, pal. I'm not even moving. A lot of redbreasts in the Crum Creek. Redbreasts, I remember there were smallmouth. Quite a few smallmouth. I don't know if there's any largemouth. Yeah, there is largemouth in here. This is one of those creeks where you... Yeah. Boy, he took it as soon as I threw it in. Woo. Okay. That's fun. The mighty bluegill. The mighty bluegill. I thought that was a bass for sure. Thanks, pal. See you later. How long should we keep going for? Yeah. Is it a bass? Yay! Okay, look. New species. So we stuck around and we got a spotted. Oh, he's pretty. Or largemouth. I don't know what he is, but he's a different species. Darn right I am. Okay. Bye, pal. All right. I think I caught one of him before. And then that was the one I think that... This was a ton of fun. Thanks for coming out with me. And we'll see you next time. I'm not sure where we'll go next. I want to try to do Brinton Lake and a couple other places and obviously the mountains. So I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching. Love you guys. God bless. See you at school. I gotta go now. Bye. I always find those guys.